Do you find yourself cringing at the sound of a rattling exhaust system as you drive down the road? Not only is it annoying, but it could also be a sign of a deeper issue that needs your attention. But fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore why your exhaust system might be rattling and, more importantly, how you can silence it for good. Your vehicle's exhaust system plays a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions and maintaining optimal engine performance. However, over time, wear and tear can cause components to loosen or deteriorate, resulting in that dreaded rattling noise. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage and potentially expensive repairs down the road. But fret not, as we're here to equip you with the knowledge to tackle this problem head-on. Common causes of exhaust rattles. Loose or damaged heat shields. Heat shields are designed to protect sensitive components from excessive heat emitted by the exhaust system. However, they can become loose or corroded over time, leading to annoying rattling noises. Worn exhaust hangers. Exhaust hangers support the weight of the exhaust system and absorb vibrations. If these hangers degrade or break, it can result in the exhaust pipes knocking against the underside of your vehicle. Broken or cracked exhaust components. Exhaust pipes, mufflers, and catalytic converters can develop cracks or fractures due to age, corrosion, or impact. These damaged components can cause rattling as they shift or vibrate while driving. Solutions to silence the rattle. Inspect and tighten heat shields. Start by visually inspecting the heat shields for any signs of damage or looseness. If you notice any issues, use appropriate tools to tighten or reattach them securely. In some cases, you may need to replace damaged heat shields altogether. Check exhaust hangers. Inspect the exhaust hangers for signs of wear or breakage. Replace any damaged hangers with new ones to provide proper support and reduce vibrations. Upgrading to sturdier hangers can also prevent future issues. Repair or replace damaged components. If you discover cracked or broken exhaust components, it's crucial to address them promptly. Depending on the extent of the damage, you may be able to patch minor cracks with exhaust repair tape or sealant. However, more severe damage may require professional repair or replacement of the affected parts. Don't let a rattling exhaust system dampen your driving experience or jeopardize your vehicle's performance. By identifying the root cause of the problem and taking proactive measures to address it, you can enjoy smoother, quieter rides for miles to come. Remember, regular maintenance and inspections are key to ensuring your exhaust system remains in top condition. Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and advice on maintaining your vehicle's health. Share this guide with fellow drivers who might be grappling with a noisy exhaust system, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content.